Today I'm going to show you how to add channels on Tata Sky using your mobile. So first, you'll have to install the Tata Sky app. So you can install this from the Play Store or the App Store. After that, you just have to click on it. And then you'll find a login button which is on the top right. Then you'll have to enter your Tata Sky ID or your mobile number which is linked with Tata Sky. So now once you've logged in, you'll have to click on this icon which is on the top right. So over here you'll see your account's name, then you'll see the balance, and over here you'll have all of the settings. So now if you want to add or remove packs, just click on My Tata Sky. After that you'll have to click on Manage Pack. So over here as you can see they've suggested some channels which you'll want, but just scroll down and then click on Explore All Packs and Channels. Now if you have more than one setup box, just go to that setup box and then click on Manage Packs and Channels. Over here you have three options. You can either quick add a channel, drop a channel, or change your pack completely. So if you just want to add some individual channels, click on Quick Add Channels. You can either search for the channel on top, or else you can just search by category. So if you want something which is in Hindi entertainment, click on that. After that just select whichever channel you want. So over here you can see whether it's HD or not. And then on the right, you'll see the price. So this is the price per month. So if you keep the channel only for one day, it'll be this price divided by 30. So for right now, I'll just add the channel DD Retro. So I've selected it. After that, just click on Proceed, which is at the bottom. Then over here, you can see a list of all of your channels. You can go through it. And after that, just click on Submit. So it'll take 10 to 15 seconds. And once that's done, you'll see the channels added. And now you can see that the changes are made. And now if you want to remove a channel, again click on the top right. Then click on My Tata Sky, Manage Pack. Then scroll down and click on Explore All Packs and Channels. And then click on Drop Channel. Again you can search for it or go by category. So I'll just remove the channel which I just added. So that was DD Retro. So as you can see I've searched for the channel. And now I'll just click on the box on its left. Then click on Proceed. Again, I can go through the entire list and then I'll just click on Submit. And the same way you can follow these steps to add a pack or remove a pack. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Goodbye.